Hello everybody. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first or second time here. And if it is your first or second time here, I would really appreciate it if you would go ahead and hit the red subscription button down below. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. I would love for you to become a part of the Beauty Connoisseur family. So if you're interested in this wig that I'm wearing, it is Bella. Her name is Willow, and I will leave the information for that review right up here. So today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! And I have a half wig from Sensationnel, and well, let me see, what is her name? She doesn't have a name. It just says HZ7047. Focus, focus, focus. And I have it in the color F430. She does have a stock card, so let's see what the stock card looks like. Here is the stock card. And I saw this review on She Is Vari, and it looks so cute. I just had to get it. And this wig was only $16.99, so these half wigs are very economical. Here is, well, let me show you what the wave pattern looks like. It's a nice soft wave, not too defined. And here's the top of the cap, and then the back you have your comb. And yeah, we're gonna try with these headbands that I bought from Shein. You have I don't know how many is in here. I think it's 10. And I bought these from, like I said, from Shein, or however you pronounce it. And it has your primary colors, and your black and your white and your browns, your tans, and I only paid $4 and some change for this. So we're going to see what kind of styles we can come up with this half wig. Okay, so this is what the half wig looks like straight on my head. And I forgot to mention that I got it from Sam's Beauty for $16.99. And I don't really have any hair to blend in with it because I have alopecia real bad, which, you know, if you suffer the same thing, or if you just don't have any hair on your hairline, you can use a headband to camouflage it, and you don't have to have any hair to blend in with it. Now this is all the hair to the front, and it's a very light density, which I don't mind. It's, you know, some people might call this thin, but I like it like this because I don't like my hair to be really full and thick, because it overwhelms me, because I'm only 4'11". And so I'm thinking this is about 18 inches. And let me sit down on my stool. This is all the hair to the back. And I don't feel any tracks, so I think that the density will be okay. And I got this teal headband. I started to get green, but I didn't want to be too literal. So I got this teal headband to just kind of go with this green palette that I'm wearing already. And you just pull the headband up over the edge of the half wig. like so. And you can flip some of the hair over. And that looks cute. Or you can have it all going to the back. Just kind of fluff it around the way you want. And I'm not gonna comb or brush this because I like the curls or waves just the way they are. They're not very uniformed anyway. So I think that's cute. And you can probably do like a half up, half down. So yeah, I think that's cute. And you still can't see anything in the back. And you can also make a top knot bun or a messy bun, whatever you want to call it. So see how versatile these are, and they're very inexpensive. Easy to put on when you're in a hurry, you need to get out the door. Does that look better over my ear? Yeah, I think it looks better, a little bit better over my ear. You're trying to hurry up and get out the door. You're just gonna run to Target. You're just gonna run to the Dollar Tree. Or, you know, you got that Zoom meeting that your supervisor is calling for last minute. And you're just at the house, you know, working from home with your PJs on and your bonnet. Throw the bonnet off, throw the half wig on, get your headband. Bam, put some powder on your face, some lipstick, earrings, and you are ready just like that. So, y'all let me know what you think. Let's get some sunnies. So thank you all for joining me on this video. As always, like, comment, and share the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks always for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.